Hey guys, welcome to the Assketeers. This is us taking down a beehive. As you can see, there's only my dog, my mum, my dad, and me. Yeah. This is getting down the beehive. There's an angry bee attacking them.
Where are they coming from?
Oh, there's 3.
Oh, they're getting out of the roof. Quick, I'll do a runner. Right, I'll put it back.
Right, yeah,
ready.
I'd do a runner.
Go. Yeah, but... Go on, go away.
They're not
That
happy.
wasn't greatly successful.
No, what was it?
Where are they coming out?
From the ceiling.
There's bees. Oh, very good. Mum, can I have a look at you? Glove. Oh, bee. Yeah, Roxy's fine with it.
Bees now. The Quentin's cross bees.
That hasn't
And I
worked.
don't mean like this.
That hasn't worked amazingly. Do you think the vampire thing will work with bees? Hang on, let me turn this round.
The vampire bees.
Yeah. Oh, whoops, sorry.
What, so if they hang off the ceiling?
Yeah, well, they're sort of hanging off the ceiling, so shall we get some
You
garlic?
need some gloves on.
Garlic, holy water.
No, they're going mental. I'll leave them at that.
So,
Fall off.
Operation,
Yeah, they'll settle down.
Operation Take Down the Beehive failed.
Yeah.
Well, we'll give you more.
There's a gap there. Look.
We'll
See
give
there,
you
look.
more, like, we'll give you like an
See that,
update of what's happening in a bit. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Welcome back. Take 2 of the violation of the beehive. We must move it from there, with my mum looking all smug, there, over to over this fence. Look, just round here. These are the hens. Say hello, hens. Right through to, if you can see my finger, there, just round that corner there. Yeah, there's the field. So they'll have a nice big open area. There's my cat. Sid, do you want to be in the video? Good lad. Daddy's eating the pear. No, he ain't. Yeah. There's the garage. That's very spicy. So, let's get going, are you? Is it going? Think so. Mum, get out of the way. No, you're alright.
Pickle bees come back.
Yeah. Alan's back. Alan and oh, there's Deirdre. Where is he? Oh, look, fly there. You can get out of the way. Deirdre, where are you? Oh, Dad, this ain't gonna end well, is it? Ooh. There's Baldrick.
Oh, he's going to do Dad's armpit.
There's Baldrick just living the dream, attacking me dad. There's Alan the mosquito. I like the name Alan. There's Greg. There's my dog Rox. Roxy. Say hello. My dad broke his ankle. My mum's looking really scared and smug. They're scared. The cat's just eating the pear tree now. Yeah, he's eating the pear tree and he's just giving an overview of the whole scene. Good lad. Dad's pulled out his screwdriver. Are they getting out? Yeah, there's oh, there's
Don't do that on camera, honey.
Sorry. That is truly... I have a plan.
madness. There's Annie, I think. There's Annie.
Farquhar.
That's Farquhar even. Says she who has the silver toenails and the bare feet. Mum, we're dealing with bees. Not dealing with cats.
Protection.
Not dealing with bees. We're dealing with bees, not with cats. Sorry, my bad. Look, you need socks on. That's why I've got my big boots on.
Oh, yeah.
Big boots to the rescue. There's my dad's beer. I'm not sure you're interested in that, but come on, Dad. Get a move on. Right, we'll update you in a minute. Aha! We're back. Yes. He's using a chisel. Something's wrong with this man. Hang on. Oh, got into his weird world of wonders. There's a
Paint, it's not blank.
This one's so tough.
Is it? Right, guess who we blame that on? I'm recording this on my iPad, so the quality's not amazing. Sorry. Oh, Sid's found something. No.
Siddy.
Nah, get him back. Go on.
Look at that, this one's...
Close up on the cat. What's this contraption? Yes, back to the action.
Rick's coming out of the garage wall now.
There.
The whole wall's shaking.
What that does is...
Back to the action. Yeah, it probably gives them a heart attack, Dad. Dad, it probably gives them a heart attack
yeah.
if they can.
Stunned inside.
Yeah, they're all.
They've fallen off
Oh,
the
oh, oh,
perches.
oh.
They're not loosing anymore.
That egg coming off there.
Fred's just hanging about, wondering what's going on. I don't think this is going well, says Fred. Ooh, that's a good view. Who knows what this bloke is doing? Ooh, Fred, where's he gone? Ah,
Nice sunset.
Fred's coming. Oh, there's two out now. Dad, you've angered him.
Yeah, they're trying to get in.
There's a black dot on there. That's a
Alright.
fly thing. Right. Fred and Freddy are out. Sorry, my finger. Myrtle and Freddy. An update in a minute. And we're back.
Come back as well.
Who? Bob's here. Hey.
Bluegrass.
What? What was that, bro?
Barnaby bluegrass.
Barnaby. Alright.
Screw it. If you walk away with it, you won't follow.
That's why I am standing back.
Go on, stand with me. You're alright. Go on. You can go that way with it. It's alright, we can't. Boy, just stand with me. You got the weight of it? Heavy, good. That's it.
What if the
Right,
spider comes out?
no, walk towards me. Walk round here.
Oh,
No, walk to me. Sue, walk over here.
no, I'm about to drop it. I'm happy about
Yeah, the whole
this.
point here is right.
Run, get away, Mum, quick.
Get over the top.
Bad, isn't it? I ain't helping you, Dad.
Thanks.
Dad, just chuck it. You'd be fine. That'd be great.
Spider on the back of it.
Where? He's alright, right, it's gone. It's gone. On the floor, it's gone.
Yeah, it's going to cut the leg next.
Sid, are you giving an overview?
Going out the window.
Yes, I'm fine, thank you very much. This is a bit bad though, isn't it, Sid? Oh, hey, oh, something's in my paw.
Screw.
Oh, glare from that light, sorry. There's my mum feeling scared and smug.
I'm not smug.
No, maybe not.
Yeah, I'm not smug.
And we're off. My mum's looking a little bit scared. Can we have a little bit of a close up?
No! Don't close up me.
No, not you. There's the back of the beehive. That's
It's where
horrible.
that spider is that worries me.
Massive spider. Right, I'm off. Bye.
Where it was medium.
Mediocre. The dog. Oh yeah, there's me cat. King of the jungle. And
Pass it to me.
yes, it's working. The plan is working. Oh no, my one's given up. Oh, it's going. Oh, I need a good view of this. Sorry, lads, guys, whatever. Can you see him? Oh, he's going.
Don't stand on the plants, please.
Sorry, and we're out. Hey guys, thanks for watching that weird turn of events take place in our back garden because of the bees. It was originally made by me and my dad when I was about 5 maybe, and it was originally made for birds, a bird box. So yeah, we made it. It took about 3 generations of birds, and then nobody's touched it since. Until now, the bees took over. Yeah, that's all the recordings I've just taken is about the bees. That's it. And well, we only noticed it a couple of days ago when me and my dad were having a look inside it, and then a bee popped out, and my dad was like, "Oh, Jack, run into bee's hive." So yeah, that gave us quite a shock, but other than that, yeah, it's funny. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash the ratings, pick up a sledgehammer, and hit it on the subscribing button. Not literally, but yeah, you know what I mean. Comment if you like. Do your best comments ever, and we hope you enjoyed it. So thank you and good night.